creating moments, not just decor. This year, my Christmas decoration wasn't about perfection, it was about intention. It was about slowing down, creating with my hands, sharing something meaningful with my family. I finally brought to life my idea of a mindful fireplace Christmas decor that I didn't have a chance last year, but this year I made it. I reused some objects that I already have at home, just like these mini pink trees and these glittery reindeers and the paper snowflakes too. I just added the garland with lights that made such a difference in the decor. But the real star of everything was the DIY gingerbread village with mountains, all made of cardboard. Creating those pieces felt like going back to my architecture school days. The sketches, the proportions, the patterns, and the endless precise cuts. Oh my gosh! It was necessary some creativity and a lot of patience. I call creative meditation. You should try it. Let's start with the big star, the handcrafted gingerbread, step by step. Step 1 is the sketching. I started sketching the mountains and the houses on paper to see the proportion. The mountain should be higher than the houses and to know the house's shape. So when I go to the cardboard, I already know what I should do. If the Christmas spirit has taken you to, I've created a printable template with all the measurements for the gingerbread houses and the mountains. You can download it in the description, and I think it's perfect for a mindful Christmas DIY afternoon at home. Imagine. I did it. Step 2. Drawing and cutting the houses. Using a pencil, I drew a row of houses, each with different heights, doors, and windows. Then I cut the cardboard with the house silhouettes. You just need basic craft tools like the ruler, craft knife, cutting mat, could be bigger than this, okay? And the chalk mark. So a tip, leave about 15 centimeters or 6 inches at the bottom to help with assembling later. Step 3, drawing the mountains. I made the mountain scene in 2 parts, the large background mountain range and the 3 mountains drawn separately. Step 4, cutting and assembling the mountains. I cut everything with scissors, then glued the 3 individual mountains onto the main mountain range to create some depth, and drew the snowy peaks on each mountain. Step 5, adding details with chalk marker. My favorite part, decorating with a chalk marker, doors, windows, garlands, tiny trees, all the cozy details. Step 6, cutting the windows and doors. This is the longest part. Depending on your pace, expect from 1 to 3 hours. But don't panic, it's slow, but it's a deeply mindful activity. I carefully cut the little window and each door. Doing this brings everything to life. Step 7, assembling the village. I folded the extra cardboard at the bottom of each house to create a support base. Then, using thread and needle, I created a delicate cable stayed effect to secure and stabilize the village. A tiny architectural detail that made my heart happy. You can see all the links of the craft materials and the decor objects I used in the description too. Now let's see the whole decoration. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cozy mindful ideas. And let me know in the comments if you're making your own gingerbread village. I'd love to see it. Wishing you a peaceful and mindful Christmas season. Bye!